This is a BITC. You know what the heck I'm talking about. So this guy here, this has got to get the wire from the coil and the green. And this screw is actually attached to a bolt underneath. And boy, you just need 4 hands to get everything to stay goddamn still so that you can get the wire underneath there. Some of these had the little attachments, which would make some easier, but this one didn't. These were just wire smushed under the little washer there, so that was a huge pain. Jesus, that was a pain in the ass. So I wonder, I mean, I think if you take the base, if you take the whole switch off of the base, it might be easier to work at from underneath, but these are stripped a little bit, so I'm not going to take this off of here. I shrink wrapped this one, I'm going to shrink wrap that one, and I think I'm going to shrink wrap these 3, because there you could see that's wide open, and I'm worried about it arcing to this. So I might shrink wrap all 3 of those. You know, another hard part about doing this was you don't want to break this off at the end here, so you got to move it as little as possible. And boy, it was just a huge pain in the ass. But you know, no one said this was going to be easy. If it was easy, everybody would do it. So I'm learning as I go. We have, as you can see, I didn't use those hooks, the little terminals. You'd have to get new ones. They're kind of messed up. So I'm just going to put this together as I can the way I have it. So we'll go on to the next wire. This one was even worse. Boy, what a pain in the butt. The way to do it would have been to take this all apart. I'm not even sure that's making enough contact there, so only time will tell. Yeah, we'll see. That's not really steady. But again, we're just trying to see if this thing will actually start up. So, I don't know. We'll see. At this point, there's really no telling if this worked. And the wires are so brittle. The brass wire, you know, the copper wire itself. So, I got the shrink wrap on the 3 lines, and then on each of these. We got it more or less hooked up, so I want to put it together. So, that's the best I can do. This was challenging, as you can imagine. If you've done it, you know. Anyway, good practice. Who knows if this will actually turn or burn? That's what I'm calling it. Will it turn or will it burn? We'll find out. Alright.